In order to be able to send more targeted content, we advise that you divide your list into segments. For example, if your leads are coming in from different sources and you want to send them specific content based on each individual source. These are the two types of list segments. They both allow you to send campaigns to particular contacts based on the criteria that you have set for them. Bulk segments are used when it isn't practical to create separate segments, such as when you have contacts in multiple countries. It would take ages to set up segments for each of them individually, and if new ones were added to the list, you may not remember that they too needed a segment. If you've been following these videos in sequence, you should be able to see the list that you've just uploaded or synced via Managed Lists in the Contact section of the menu. Here are the ones I added earlier. From this screen, you can either click on the list to open it, or you can hover on it to bring up the options to add contacts, create campaign, or the one we want now, segment. When you click segment, you will be prompted to create a new one. I'll show you how to create bulk segments later. In this screen, I can name the segment and add up to 6 criteria. In this case, I will look for anyone with a first name beginning with A. I'll call it A Names and look for the first name in the predefined fields list. Then, starts with, and finally A. Then I'll save. From here, I have the option to show the contacts in this segment or send only them a campaign. I can also add more segments, such as one for those with names beginning with B. This is also the screen where I can add bulk segments. To do this, click on Segments, then Bulk Segments, and create bulk segment. This time I'll name it City and search for the city field in the predefined fields list. As you can see, there are 468 possible segments, so I made the right decision not to try and create them individually. Feel free to toggle this button to add additional criteria if necessary. I won't today and will just save. I know that there are only 1 or 2 people currently in each city. My list has 500 contacts and 468 segments, so I'll ignore this prompt and go ahead. Once all 468 segments have been made, I can click there to see each of them. We won't look at all of them now, though. Also on this screen, I can get to a summary of my list. Not much is happening here yet, though, as I've not sent any campaigns. I can see the contacts that are here, access relevant forms, pages and emails, and change the setup, among other things. These won't be covered at the moment, though.